Tabagong Sunray G. From Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. John Carlo V. Tabago. Valdez Justin Murel O. From Bangar, Victoria Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Charity Valdez. Aguliana Precious Auntie with high honors. From Matindeg, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Elmer P. Aguliana. Patience is the key to success. With determination and faith, she will become a veterinarian someday. Kagiwa Jessan G. From Linao, Pura Tarlac, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jessie B. Kagiwa. She aspired to be a doctor someday. Camagong Christine M. with honors. From Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rudy Camagong. She preserved to become a flight attendant someday. Concepcion Alicia Rain D. with honors. From Naya, Pura Tarlac, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Junet Domingo. She aspired to become a Philippine Military Academy someday. Corpus Frances Chloe S. with high honors. From Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romel P. Corpus. She aspired to be a doctor someday. Corpus Jet Amy M. with honors. From Singan, Pura Tarlac, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jefferson P. Corpus. She aspired to become a doctor someday. De Jos Rochelle